In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy columns to another board in Monday.com. We'll set up a simple automation that moves an item to another board when its status changes, bringing its column values along so your data stays consistent across boards. Before you start, it helps if the destination board has the same column types and names as your source board. That's what lets Monday.com carry the values over cleanly. If a column doesn't exist on the destination, that value won't appear after the move. Begin on the board where your items currently live. At the top, open Automate to access the Automation Center, then choose Create Automation. This opens the recipe builder. First, define the trigger. Click the When This Happens section, then choose the option that says Status Changes to Something. You'll be prompted to pick the specific status column on your board. Select the column labeled Status. Next, replace the placeholder something with the status label you want to use as your trigger. I'll choose Done, but you can select any label that fits your workflow. This means the automation will run the moment an item's status changes to Done. Now, set the action. Choose Move Item to Board. This tells Monday.com to relocate the entire item to a different board when the trigger fires. Click the board field in the action and select your destination board from the list. If prompted, choose the group within that board where the item should land. This is helpful for keeping incoming items organized, for example, sending completed work to a specific archive or completed group. Review your recipe. It should read like, when status changes to Done, move item to board, your board. When everything looks right, click Create Automation to save it. Time to test. Go back to your source board, change a test item's status to Done, and watch it move to the destination board. Open the moved item and verify the key columns you expected, like text, numbers, dates, people, or dropdowns. Now show the same values. If something didn't carry over, check that the destination board has a matching column with the same type and, ideally, the same name. Adding or aligning those columns will make future moves bring the data across as intended. That's it. You've created an automation that effectively copies your item's column values to another board by moving the item when its status changes. This keeps your process hands-off